Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I don't know about you, but I feel like we never have enough closet space. Well, these pant hangers from DOIOWN have really helped us to maximize the space in our closets. Look at the difference it made in my husband's closet. There's so much more room on this closet rod now for other articles of clothing. This comes in a pack of 5, and you can fit 5 pairs of pants on a single hanger. So that means with this set, you can hang a total of 25 pairs of pants. My intention when I got these was just to use them in my husband's closet, but because they hold so many that I had enough left over that I could use them as well, which has been awesome. These are made of a really durable stainless steel, which is nice because once you get 5 pairs of pants on a single hanger, it does get a little heavy, but this is built to withstand all that weight. There's also grips on the hanger, so your pants aren't sliding off. I find it easy to flip through the pants to easily locate which pair you're looking for. So if you too are looking to maximize the space in your closet, this pack of hangers is definitely going to help you do that. But that's just my point of view.